What's up, y'all? This is going to be a trade recap for today. Today's Thursday, September 25th. Yep. This is the first trade I took. This is the first trade I took on my new account. We are halfway to passing this account. We made $1,494 today, using two positions. But it was only one trade right here, but I used two positions, if that makes sense. Usually I'll do first take profit and second take profit, but let's get into the recap. Today, we were taking out a bunch of low resistance liquidity, a bunch of buy side liquidity to go on the 15-minute. I marked out this low and this low right here. We'll probably head towards this. For this week, we'll probably take out these lows. But we just had a bunch of low resistance liquidity get taken out. Right here, here, all of this low resistance liquidity is getting taken out. And I was waiting for a retrace. Waiting for a retrace off of that. We didn't get a break of structure until almost macro, like 9:45. So we come down here. We didn't break structure. Why does that always happen? Hello? I need a charger for this thing. There we go. That's better. We didn't get a break of structure until almost macro. And we might be having a reversal right now just because of all this low resistance liquidity we took out. If price wants to go higher, it'll usually come down first and take out low resistance liquidity in 1 hour liquidity and 15-minute liquidity, Asian session liquidity, London session liquidity. But yeah, so price came down, took out all this low resistance liquidity. As soon as I saw market break structure right here, I entered. Part of the reason I entered at that break of structure right here as well is because the bullish order flow we had, for one, and on ES we had closed outside of this fair value gap, which those are two green lights for me to enter a trade. And I entered right here. This was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And yeah, price came up and hit take profit. This was take profit 1 right here. I'll mark it out for you. Right here. So this is a previous high. And then final take profit was right here at this 5-minute candle close right here. And yeah, we ended the day off with a dub. I did a personal lockout, which I have a in my new rules. My personal lockout is going to be like my best friend. Before market opens, I'll have my personal lockout, and after I take a loss or a win, my personal lockout is going to be used. But yeah, that was the first trade on this account. We're halfway to passing it. And yeah, but yeah, that's going to do it for today. We took a dub on our first trade, which is good. Tomorrow, I think we have some high impact news, PCE, and then we have Michigan consumer sentiment. Yeah, we'll see what tomorrow gives us. I'm more open to trade. I'll probably de-risk on this just because I'm already halfway to passing the account. There's no reason for me to rush into things or try to get greedy. But yeah, so first trade back after not trading for a while. Feels really good to be back trading. And yeah, you know, give all the glory to God. This is a stewardship. This is a stewardship. This is a stewardship. I said I'm not trading this account for myself. I'm not going into these trades with myself. I'm going into these trades with God. I'm not gonna worry. I'm not gonna give myself anxiety. I'm not gonna focus on making the money. I'm just gonna focus on what I learned, how I've learned to trade. I'm not gonna focus on trying to get rich quick or losing a bunch of money. I'm just gonna be focusing on the trading aspect. We're literally just trading lines on a screen. That's literally all it is. And sometimes we make it more than it is when we put a dollar sign next to it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. I'll probably drop a video tomorrow if I take a trade. If not, then I'll see you guys next week.